there, guy. Haven't seen you in a while, dude. It's freaking long time no see. It's me, Craft Guy Peter. Again. Sorry, I kind of have to use my indoor voice right now, just for the time being. Craft Guy Peter wouldn't just leave you hanging with no life hack videos since 2019. There wasn't a reason. I had sort of a run-in with Johnny Law. We don't really have to get into specifics. I just
there's just a lot of he said, she said.
Maybe some questionable life hack practices we're engaged in. I wouldn't say I was evading my taxes. Listen, it's all water under the bridge anyway, because Craft Guy Peter is gonna craft his way out of here today. Come on, follow me.
Alright, so Craft Guy Peter's questionable past actions aside, dude, I have been itching to get back into the craft game since my incarceration. You know, it's a lot of a little bit of this, a little bit of that. He said, she said. Who's to say why they took me away? You know, people can be very strict about, computer security. There's a lot of pesky laws around hacking things in the digital realm, even though they're not even real, dude, but there are no laws against hacking your life. And let me tell you, the prison I went to showed me this crazy new app that I guess just came out called TikTok, dude, which is kind of a prison of its own. But I watched a lot of that in there, and dude, there's a lot of life hacks on that app. We're gonna try some of those bad boys out today, but not like bad boys like the song, because please don't do that. Craft Guy Peter has a little bit of PTSD, all right, with the law.
I love Red Bull, but the gas bubbles are so unhealthy and can cause gluten addiction.
Okay, I'm pretty sure this person is trolling, but I wanna try it anyway because it looks hilarious. Did she say the bubbles in an energy drink can cause gluten addiction?
The gas bubbles are so unhealthy and can cause gluten addiction.
Is there gluten? I thought it was just science and fire. Are the gas bubbles unhealthy? I don't know if that's the unhealthy part. I think it's more of the science and the fire.
Luckily, I have a great hack. When you boil the Red Bull, all the bubbles are removed and you are left with high-energy organic vegan energy butter. Now you can make energy sandwiches that keep you awake and taste great.
Anyway, dude, let's go make the most disgusting energy sandwich that I've ever experienced. I'm something of a Chef Guy Peter myself.
We got our hot thingy. Why can't I remember what this is called? A hot pot. Holy, oh my. Loomis, the legal system has taken its toll on my mind. We got our science liquid. We use this whole thing? I mean, for just a little sandwich? That seems excessive. It also sounds scary. Call Robbie, he's crying. Yeah, that's way too much for a sandwich, bro. Guess we're gonna let this cook, if you can call it that. Loomis, I'm going away for crimes against humanity. I want to go to jail too. Not gonna lie, this is starting to sound a little scary. It's bubbling. Is that good? I'm cooking. I'm Chef Guy Peter. All right, so this is definitely not working. The freaking monster is just boiling and evaporating away. So I think what I'm gonna do to try to make it into a sludge like in the video is add some cornstarch as a binder, as you might do on your social studies test or something. Hopefully this isn't flammable. I really have no idea. Should be enough, maybe. Just trying to make a sandwich, bro. I don't know if this is better, but it is more sludge-like. That's definitely working. I think I put too much. Ew, dude, that is so nasty. A bit more liquid, maybe? My caffeine addiction has never come in so handy. I need a better mixing utensil. I have a bomb. Bro, it spreads just like a nice apricot preserve. And boy howdy, do I want to preserve this for later when I'm hungry. All right, dude, here's the freaking close-up of what we're working with here, dude. Doesn't that look good? I honestly can't wait to just dig right in. This is probably gonna taste way better than the stuff I've been eating in the clink.
Even better than mama!
Honestly, the hot dog bun is so stale, it's kind of the grossest part, which is frightening. It kind of just tastes like a really sweet, gross jelly with like, because the cornstarch isn't really fully dissolved either. Look at my Parkinson's. I think if I would've just cooked this a little bit better, it wouldn't have been that bad. Sorry to talk with my mouth full, I'm afraid of swallowing. Is this trickery? What is this infinite chocolate glitch you've discovered in the Matrix? I mean, I don't actually think it gives you infinite chocolate. I think it's an optical illusion that you're playing a trickums on me, and Craft Guy Peter thinks you have too much time on your hands, but I don't have enough chocolate on my hands, so let's freaking remedy that and try this one out. All right, now this is some nonsense, dude. This is some witchcraft freaking nonsense. First, we gotta take out our chocolate. What they did, they cut diagonal like this, I think, right? Got our little handy dandy, some other guy's name knife. I don't know who that could be. Thanks for the knife, bro. We're gonna go like up like this, right? And leave like a smidge. This would be easier if I could get these handcuffs off. But it's fine. It's about the journey. Don't stop believing in Craft Guy me. All right, is this all the way through the chocolate? I can't even tell. Okay, there you go. This part I don't know if my chocolate bar is quite as proportionate. Oh, okay, that'll do. We'll just do like this much, I guess, because these look like bigger squares. Okay, all right. Kind of like that. I wasn't raised right. Remove this. You move this down here, sort of like that. I didn't cut it very straight. This up here, dude. And as you can see... It looks the same practically. You guys seeing this? They don't have to be exact, okay? They don't just gotta. And look, this is a full chocolate bar that you could present to somebody if you wanted. But then you got all these little scraps for yourself. This little bonus candy. Should I try it again and try to do it straighter? We're gonna put it right here. Refer to my first example. So the prison phone they gave me that I screen recorded this one on, it seems to have messed up the audio. So I can't tell what this young gentleman is saying, but that's fine with me because as a personal choice, I don't listen to anyone who uses the phrase, I was today years old, just ever for any reason. Moving on. All right, this next one is titled 5-minute crafts need to be stopped. And I don't know whether to agree or not. Let's freaking see. What? They posted this for real? Is this fake? Nope. Not. Absolutely not. No. I'm not going back to prison. You're telling me you can soften your butt with your cat? You ever want your cat to soften your butt? Cat short for cat, butt short for butter.
Just hold this. Butter cat. Cat with the butter on. Just hold that for a bit. Thanks, buddy.
Hey Josh, I bet you I can unlock your iPhone.
How?
Swipe down, covering the Face ID.
Okay.
From there, I want you to hit those 3 bubbles.
1, 2, 3.
Now turn on airplane mode. I want you to hit calculator.
All right.
Now turn it sideways. From there, I want you to hit period.
All right.
Now hit N. It's gonna pop up an error. To get rid of the error, you're gonna hit rad.
Rad?
Yep.
Oh!
Now swipe up and it's gonna unlock.
I don't know what these two gentlemen are up to, but I'm something of a funny phone man myself, and I know I just said that facetiously about something else, but this time, I mean it, dude. Let me get to the bottom of this. How to unlock anybody's freaking iPhone, dude. Let's see if this actually works. Swipe down, cover the Face ID, turn these off, and we turn airplane mode on. Calculator. I don't even have that. Where's the calculator? All right, I fixed it. Let's freaking try this again. Cover the Face ID. We're gonna swipe down to control panel. We're gonna turn off this. We're gonna turn on airplane mode. We're gonna go right to our calculator. Do I have to do this all in one go? I didn't have it on freaking sideways ability. I don't know how any of this works, dude. Okay, I'm starting over. Why is this so difficult for me, dude? Cover the Face ID. Go to control panel. Turn these off. Turn airplane mode on. Go right to the calculator. Turn it sideways. It doesn't turn. Hello? Is this a thing of the past? I'm just gonna keep it going, I guess. Hit period. N. I can't hit N because it won't turn. In. Talking about this one. Error. Okay, that's right. Rad. Yeah! This is nonsense. I had to unlock the phone to get it to even do that. This makes no sense. I say it doesn't work. I'm pretty sure the reason that it's not working for me is because I keep my finger over the Face ID the entire time. Because if you remove it and you're using the phone, it's gonna unlock it, which is the trick, I guess? Is this a trick? I don't know, but it's stupid. Also, why the hell are his pants around his ankles at the beginning? I didn't even want to mention it, dude, but now I'm just mad at whoever these people are. So freaking, I've been to prison and I'm ready to heal them.
Okay, stripper shoe hack. When you got new shoes, to get a better grip, do this. Okay, where's the hairspray? And put some hairspray. Life hack.
Easy, baby game, let's get sticky. All right, so I don't claim to be a stripper, dude. Like, I like to strip, but I'm not like a professional at it, okay? So I'm not gonna proclaim like that I know how often you need to be having sticky shoes, okay? So I'm gonna trust you on this one. Now, these are me bowling shoes. These bad boys have no grip whatsoever. You've been bowling before. You've been one to bowl in your day, I believe. So they're basically the slipperiest shoes that I own, okay? And I live in an Arctic hellscape. So we're gonna go put these bad boys on, step onto the snow, see how slippery it is. Oh, I guess this just makes like grip into the shoe. I guess that makes sense. How deep do we gotta go? I feel like I'm MacGyvering, dude. Joke's on you, idiots. You thought I was gonna be clumsy and sexy? No.
As you can see, very dangerous terrain. See if it would be safe to bowl here. It seems like yes. Hold on, guys. Don't get any gutter balls while I'm spraying my shoes. Dude, I can't even do it. You get it? You get it? Because I'm stuck. All this has accomplished is made me feel like a fool. Little slip. Oh, little slip.
So given the fact that I was pretty much born without taste buds because of the constant stream of hot coffee that I'm pouring in my mouth, I haven't tasted anything in years. So if this freaking thing works and I taste it at all, I'm gonna consider that a win. Let's give it a shot.
How do I do this without burning myself? How does this even work? There you go. Slower than expected. Is this orange immune to fire? Why is it? This feels unsafe. This one felt safer to do outside. I don't know why. Thought this would be a lot faster of a process. Maybe this thing just sucks. Thought I was on fire for a second, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so we got this nice little cooked part. I mean, it's literally 10 degrees out. I can't feel my hands, I don't know. Get in there. Interesting. Bon appetit. Orange.
I wonder if my pasta's ready.
Dude, this is the oldest trick in the book. This is no hack of life. Dude, this is your grandma's life hacks from the 40s.
Since we're already here, I figured I would just boil our pasta in our monster liquid. You know, we don't want any of this deliciousness going to waste. If the pasta's cooking correctly, you should see that little chemical foam cloud in the middle, and you should be smelling aromas of B vitamins. All right, we got our pasta all cooked up. We're gonna freaking see if it's done now. Pasta? Clearly done.
What they don't tell you in crafting college is that you can actually do this with other food. If it sticks to the wall, it means it's done cooking, obviously. Well, you can't cook food on a wall.
Sandwich? Not quite done. Cooked orange? Didn't stand a chance. Barley? I know it looks like the best day of your life right now, but I promise it's not. Did we get rid of the other plunger? And no, Steven, I will not be taking questions at this time. What?
Yes, we did.
Joke's on you, everyone. I have a humiliation kink. So, you see this dent right here? We're gonna get that out. Doesn't work. I chose a part of the car that is not solid enough for it to work. It actually is just dented more than it was, which was none. You ever just wonder how you got someplace just in your life?
I don't know, man. For these TikTok videos, I mean, I've seen some crazy stuff in prison. Maybe I'm just a little hard to impress, dude. You see a couple of characters in there, MacGyver and all sorts of stuff, hacking their lives. Maybe I just gotta look freaking deeper, but it does feel good to be back, dude, and good to be a free man. Thank you guys for freaking watching, dude. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Helps me out a lot, and I always appreciate it. And I will see you guys soon. And that is a promise.